Notice writing. In this video, we will learn about how to write a notice. कैसे विद्यालय में या किसी खास प्रोग्राम के मौके पर नोटिस को सूचना दें. We will read about key points, format and exemplar. What is a notice? Notice क्या है? Notice is a short piece of communication written in a formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. The purpose of notice writing is to bring to notice a certain piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. It gives important information about something that is about to take place or has taken place. It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a competition, a function, a campaign, a general instruction, a cultural program, an abhiyan or drive. They are displayed on a school or college notice board, public places, library or community centers. Format of notice writing. First of all, we make a rectangular box. On the top, we write the name of the organization. After that, notice in bold letters. Date of notice is mentioned there. Heading of the notice. Body, where we give the important information. And signature, name and designation. This is the format of the notice. You have to keep in mind. Now we will learn the important points, what it covers. Name of the organization. It refers to the name of the institution of which the person writing a notice is a part of. It is written on the top of the page. It helps the readers identify who issued the notice. Second one is title. Notice. It should be written in bold letter. This title says notice. It lets the readers know that they are going to read the notice. Third one is the date is written on the left corner of the notice after leaving a title. As the notices are the formal communication, date of issuing a notice is very important. The date should be written in a proper format which is clear and easily understandable. Next one is heading. Heading explains what is the notice about in brief. Heading should reflect the content of the meeting. It is just like a subject of an email which gives a synopsis or purpose of the communication. Next one is body. Body of the notice includes the main content for which the notice was issued. The body should contain all the necessary information required in the notice, like time of an event, venue of the event, and date, and it should be written in a passive voice without the use of first person. It's very important. 5 W's are important for body. What, who, where, when, and what to do. What is the notice about? First, who is addressed to? Second, where is the event? Third, when is the event going to happen? Fourth, and what are the instructions related to the event? 5 W's are important for the body. Once again, what is going to happen, what it will take place, where it will take place, when it will take place, who can apply or eligible for it, and whom to meet. Now this is an example. You are Vidya or Amrit, the head and girl and head boy of MS Diwan Khana Chatra. Draft a notice informing the students of classes 6 to 8 about a workshop on table manners and etiquettes to be held in the school premises. Give all the necessary details. आप हेड बॉय एंड हेड गर्ल हैं, आपको टेबल मैनर्स के जो एटिक्यूट्स हैं MDM के दौरान आपको अपने बच्चों को, जो स्कूल के 6 to 8 के जो बच्चे हैं उनको बताना है। तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, यू विल ड्रॉ अ बॉक्स, रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स। फिर आप लिखेंगे नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन MS दीवान खाना छतरा। फिर नोटिस को आप बोल्ड में लिखेंगे, नोटिस। फिर आपने डेट दिया 20 सितंबर 2021। अब हेडिंग देखें आप, वर्कशॉप ऑन टेबल मैनर्स। दिस इज टू इन्फॉर्म ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लासेस 6 to 8 about a workshop on table manners and etiquettes that will be held in the school auditorium or premises on 25th September 2021 Friday at 9 a.m. It is mandatory for all the students to attend the workshop. For any type of query, please contact the undersigned. ये आपने लिख दिया, उसमें नोटिस का ये बॉडी था जिसमें आपने सब कुछ मेंशन किया है, कहाँ पे होगा, कब होगा। और यहाँ you have to write your name and signature, sign head girl, what the name of the head girl, Vidya Kumari,